With a rapidly changing climate, people all around the world are dealing with extreme and unusual weather. Today it's actually really windy and cold. Here at Royal Roads, we've recently dealt with alerts for severe cold and snowfall. But here we are in Hatley Park today to talk about food gardens and business as well, and how that's linked to our responsibility as a university to lead on a commitment to the fight against climate change. I'm joined by Michael Pardy and two of our students to share their insights about the unique project-based learning in the Bachelor of Business Administration in Innovation and Sustainability. So Michael, I wondered if you could tell us a little more about the BBA in Innovation and Sustainability and what you're trying to accomplish.
Thanks, Philip. With the BBA program, we're trying to approach business education from a sort of more sustainable and innovative perspective. And in particular, we've really focused on how we deliver business education. So in this program, we use projects as the focal point for learning. Instead of being in regular classes, we focus on projects, and then we bring the curriculum to the projects in a just-in-time basis. And in addition to that, the projects all have some kind of connection to sustainability and innovation. And so what we're really trying to do is to bring not only the business part, but the people part and the environmental part together through these projects.
So Celicia, you're one of the students in the program, and I understand that last year you and your cohort worked on the Food Gardens program, which is right here in this space. So I wonder if you could tell me what that was like and what it was like having the university as a client.
Yeah, so I came into the program with a great interest in regenerative agriculture and environmental design and circularity in general. So immediately when I heard about the project, I was so excited. And I felt like it was just such a great fit for me as a person. Working with a real-time client who is passionate about moving the project forward really just enhanced my learning experience and made all of the deliverables feel very tangible.
So Saumya, you also were one of the students on the project, and I wondered if you could tell us a little bit about what you took from the project, and also how does it equip you when you go out into the business world?
So I chose this program because it was different from conventional learning, and we would have the opportunity to work with real clients, and starting with the university was the best opportunity because I got to know that how different it is from what we learn in the book and what works in real life. And working on this project, I felt like I was working for real and not just studying and learning how to be a professional.
Well, thank you so much, and I'm so delighted to hear that this kind of program at Royal Roads, and you know, Michael and others are deeply committed to the sort of applied learning and to dealing with real issues and real people. So I'm pleased to hear that. So Michael, what's next? What's the project next year?
Well, we're moving forward. So right now we're working on a project with a local industrial processor on revalorization of hemp, and in particular hemp fiber and hemp dust. It was quite exciting. We're going to be working with the city of Langford on expanding their work in arts and culture. And we're working with a company that has a new technology in the manufacture of solar panels. So again, a wide range of projects, but all connected to integrating business with people and the planet, oriented towards community and sustainability and climate change. So it's all very exciting.
Thank you, Michael, Celicia, and Saumya, for sharing your experiences with us all today. I'm so looking forward to learning more about the growth of this BBA program as part of our Royal Roads community. And thanks for watching, everybody, and have a wonderful weekend.